This is, I don't know if you guys can see. This is a Qataria 747, 22 karat, and 511 Riyal for 24 karat. Okay, so this is around, let's say, more than $100, 100 and something dollars for the 22 karat gold. So this is daily update. Okay.
Yeah, welcome back to my channel. And thank you for your support. I really appreciate your support. If you are yet to subscribe to my channel. Okay, so today we want to talk about how I turn my savings into gold. So have you ever wondered how some people turn their savings into gold? Something that actually grows in value. And even during economic uncertainty, I did it. And some have also done it, and it has really helped them. Okay, and today I'm going to show you exactly how I did it. Okay, so by the end of this video you will know how to start turning your own savings into gold safely, even if you are just starting out. Okay, a few months ago I realized that keeping all my savings in the bank was actually losing money to inflation. So I wanted something that hold value. That's when I decided to explore gold. I know gold sounds old-fashioned, but here's the thing: it has survived centuries and still remain a safe haven asset. And I made a plan, and here's what I did. So just follow me as I give you step by step. Step one was understanding why I was buying gold. Gold is a hedge against inflation, and it protects your wealth when currencies lose value. It's also it's a safe haven during economic uncertainty, and it's easy to liquidate. Anywhere in the world you can liquidate your gold. You can sell your gold anywhere in the world. Okay, you can transact gold anywhere in the world. Same language anywhere. Okay, and before you invest, just decide your goal is it wealth preservation, long-term growth, or diversification. So you have to just make a plan for that. Which one are you going for? Are you going for a long-term goal? Do you want to diversify your asset, or you want to preserve your asset, your wealth? Okay, and step two was assessing my savings. No, I didn't want to risk all my money. Okay, so I kept some and for expense, and some for maybe emergency funds, and aside of an emergency fund. Then I decided what portion I could safely invest in gold. Okay, so I don't want to put all my money in one basket, so I need to diversify some. I need to to make it safe. Then I decided what portion I could safely invest in gold. For me, it was about maybe 20 or 30% of my investable saving. Not everything. Step three was choosing the type of gold. We have three main options here: physical gold, like coins, bar, jewelry, tangible. But you need a safe place to store it. So if you want to get this physical gold, you need a safe place to store it. Either you store in the bank, that we have insurance and other stuff. So if it's a digital gold, that's another option, like ETF backed by gold, easy to buy and sell online. Okay, so bank gold also. Okay, you buy grams of gold directly through your bank, or through a trusted jewelry gold merchant, right? So I personally split my investment between physical gold for security and digital gold for liquidity. No, digital gold is very easy to liquidate. You can buy and sell online with just in your application. You get that done, right? And also, I think step number 4 is step 4 was research. I track gold price daily and watch for trends. I need to let me show you my how I track. I have one application I used to track the gold price. Okay, let me show you guys. Okay, now this is I don't know if you guys can see it. This is a Qataria 747 22 karat and 511 riyal for 24 karat. Okay, so this is around let's say more than $100, 100 and something dollars for the 22 karat gold. So this is daily update. Okay, yeah, I made research every day, and you don't want to buy at a peak. So but now gold is at its peak. Okay, so patience is key. Knowing the market helps you to buy smarter, not just quickly. Yeah, so step number 5 was buying gold safely, like physical gold. You have to verify the dealer, like this with what I'm using, this Malabar gold in Qatar. Okay, and you always ask for certification. So you don't just buy physical gold. You have to ask if it's genuine, if they are selling authentic original gold, real gold. Okay, so for digital gold, I use trusted platform. You can just go Google that or go to search for a trusted platform where they are registered with any security, with SEC of any country they are. Okay, so you have to check that also if they register with the authority. Okay, so for bank as well, bank also you can check with your bank. Some banks are really trading in gold, so keep record of every purchase date, the weight price. Step 6 is secure your investment. So step 6 is security. Physical gold goes in safe or bank locker. Okay, and digital gold should be stored in account with strong security measures. All right, and bank gold account should have secure insurance coverage. So protect your investment like you would with cash. So step number 7 is monitor and decide when to sell. Monitoring your investment. So track gold price and have an exit strategy. Okay, sell during price spike for short-term gain and hold for long-term wealth preservation. The key is not to panic when price fluctuates slightly. Some people they sell during the sell-off, during panic. Well, before you know it, you just bounce back. Okay, so step 8 is diversification. Don't put all your savings into gold. Okay, I balance mine with stocks, bonds, a little. Okay, you can put a little crypto. Gold is insurance, not a get rich quick plan. Yeah, so that's exactly how I turn my savings into gold. Step by step. You have to start small, learn the market, secure your investment, and diversify. Gold is not just shyly; it's a tool to protect your future. And if you found this video helpful, subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and I'll see you in my next video.